Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is Florida's Clan Media for you. And for today, I have a follow-up video to so far our most popular video, which was my previous Pokemon custom resin keycap video. And because you guys liked it so much, I felt like I should follow it up. So of course, for this video, I'm rocking my Linus Tech Tip RGB keyboard shirt. And I ordered a few more keys. And so I ordered these from, I forget the name of the retailer, so I'll add that in post. I think it was like Hori or something like that. Basically, I found them on Etsy, and I'll link them in the video. So if you want to buy from them, which I highly recommend, they do some really good work. And honestly, their prices have dropped recently. Hirosart. Alright guys, so I ordered 4 custom keycaps. Let's take a look. Alright guys, so I'm going to take a peek first before you guys get to take a look. Alright, yeah, I'm digging these.
Just doing like that?
Yeah. Here we have Gengar, and honestly came out okay. I think it could have been probably better, but still nonetheless Gengar's one of my favorite Pokemon, and I'm glad to add him to my keyboard. Alright, let's take a look at the next one. So next up we have Darkrai, and I wasn't much of into Pokemon in, I think this Darkrai came out in like the Ruby Sapphire generation, but I do remember watching the episode where Ash actually fought a trainer who had a Darkrai in, I think, like the championship tournament, and I believe he lost against him, but it was a pretty sweet fight. And Darkrai, I think even Darkrai had his own movie too, so he always really impressed me as like one of those like kind of special OP Pokemon. And when you saw a character who actually had one tamed, it was you knew he was a great trainer. So my keyboard I'm adding this to, it has a space bar that has all the starter Pokemon. So this time around, I wanted to kind of fill it up with some kind of OP Pokemon, and I really liked how this Darkrai one looked. Seeing it in person, it doesn't look as cool as I thought it was going to look, but it still looks pretty cool, and I think it's going to go well with Gengar. Alright, next one up here is Suicune. This one's pretty cool. It's really small, but it looks pretty well detailed. The environment he's in, kind of, wish they probably would have gone more with like a blue kind of, what you call it, stand or footing or ground. Kind of weird. Looks like it's like, what is it, like red liquid? Let's see here. Yeah, I guess you could tell it's Suicune. Alrighty, yeah, wasn't impressed with that one either. Let's take a look at the last one. Alright, this one I like right here. So here we have Charizar. So of course I had to add a Charizar keycap to my keyboard. And this one I'm really happy with. This one looks great. Charizar looks well detailed. Looks like he's like hanging out in like a volcano or something. So probably like his like den or his nest or something. Looks pretty sweet. You can even see a little tail on the end of the flame. I like this one. This was a good one right here. So out of all 4 of them, let's put them back all up. Suicune, honestly, was kind of disappointed with that one. I actually do like the Gengar one. Gengar came out pretty good. Let's see, put them out so they're facing out. Can't tell which is his face, I guess. Alright. Well, guys, thanks for watching the video, and be sure to watch the follow-up that will be coming up on this one shortly, very shortly. All right, later.